The velocity of the surface layer of water in a river of depth 10 meter is 5 meter per second. The shear stress between the surface layer and the bottom layer is coefficient of viscosity is given. So according to the equation for viscosity or viscous force, we can write that is equal to eta into A into dV divided by dx. We know that the value of shear stress is nothing but force divided by area. So you can write F by A is equal to eta into dV divided by dx. So here the value of eta is given as 10 raised to minus 3, and velocity or the surface layer of water. So we are considering that some amount of water which is flowing through a surface, and we know that the surface layer is going to move with the maximum velocity and the layer at the bottom will be at rest. So the difference in velocity dV will be equal to nothing but 5 minus 0, or we can take it as 5, divided by distance between them is depth of river, which is given as nothing but 10 meter. So you can write divided by 10. So this will be equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 4, yeah, 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton per meter square.